Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: project render pipeline, post-processing package, and a target camera. Open Package Manager, install post-processing if needed, then assign the correct render pipeline asset. Once done, add a post-process layer component to your main camera and set the layer to a dedicated post-processing layer. Next, create a post-process volume in your scene, make it global or local, and check is global, depending on whether you want full scene effects. You now build the visual profile. Create a post-process profile asset and attach it to the volume. Add effects one at a time: bloom for light glow, color grading for tone and contrast, ambient occlusion to deepen contact shadows, and tweak parameters to taste. Use LUTs or lift/gamma/gain for consistent grading across scenes. Make sure to set effect overrides and weight blending so you can animate or transition them. Finally, confirm your camera's post-process layer. You finish by profiling and optimizing. Run the Unity Profiler and Frame Debugger to see cost per effect. Reduce samples or resolution for expensive passes like ambient occlusion and SSAW. Use temporal anti-aliasing and half-resolution buffers when possible for speed. If effects are not visible, make sure the camera's post-process layer matches the volume layer, volume weight is 0, and HDR is enabled when required. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle the profile on and off to isolate the problematic effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.